What are some of the new arrivals that we've had come in that we haven't talked about in a while? How about the 1960 Rambler Super Series American station wagon? Chatsworth green and frost white over aqua and white. 81,000 actual miles, 196 cubic inch L-head 6-cylinder engine, which is plenty for that car.
Yep.
Flash-o-matic 3-speed automatic. Does that mean flash, it goes faster? Or... Nifty cruiser. Rarely seen these. You don't.
Yeah, this is the first one we've had.
We've never had one here before, and I've never seen one before. So
beautiful little car. If you like wagons and maybe you were thinking about a Nomad or something like that, this is a great alternative.
And it's so striking. It just stands out with that that green and frost white.